Hi, I'm Vanya Ahuja. I'm the co-founder and director of Earth Soul Ayurveda Private Limited. And we are a contract manufacturer. We deal in Ayurvedic and nutraceutical products. As well as we have an in-house brand called Nature Code. And with Nature Code, we have already launched more than 60 products in the market, which is again into the category of wellness, single herbs, cosmeceuticals, and nutraceutical products. And with the contract manufacturing, we are onboarding with the startups as well as big brands like Bagrees and Sri Verma. We are working with them as well for their skincare, hair care, and their wellness products. So in future, we are working on certain products like AHA based products and pumic stone as well as black gram based body polishers as well as shower gel so that they are very gentle on the skin as well as they moisturize the skin. At the same moment, they are very cleansing as well. So that's the product which we are coming up, and maybe in next few 2 to 3 months we'll be launching it with our client. So that is one product I'm looking forward to. So the pain points before we discovered CMPL was like connecting with the people who are like really interested with contract manufacturing and starting off with their brands, because like through Facebook or through online channels you get a lot of fake inquiries, but with CMPL the people who are interested, they take out time and come to visit you, and then they are like really interested, and then we can take this forward to the factories, and then the uh, clients are onboarded. So that's how like CMPL has benefited us. Like we participated in CMPL Delhi as well last year, and looking forward to more seasons of CMPL. So the gap with CMPL has helped us to reduce between our clients or the future client is that like today what happened is I've been in talking terms with two of our clients, and they were about to visit the factory but they couldn't due to some reasons, and we couldn't take that forward. But today we met here at the CMPL and they saw all our product range and everything, and now they are like looking forward to working with us again. So that's how I think like it is like a great platform, because you can showcase all your products and innovations what you have done in the year or in next 6 months, and it helps you to connect with the people who you are already connected with, but they have like much more better perspective about the company and everything. CMPL has been always a great thing to come to. Last year we came just to visit the CMPL, and then we participated in CMPL Delhi, and now we are here again in CMPL Mumbai 2024. Looking forward to CMPL Delhi 2024 and more seasons to come, and participating in them and getting more and more out of the CMPL. Amazing platform.